This How to 1 Minute will show you how to uninstall or delete a WordPress theme. Right now, I will show you total 2 methods to uninstall or delete a WordPress theme. The first method is from cPanel. First of all, log into your cPanel and search for File Manager, then click on it. Once you are in your File Manager, navigate to your website folder and open WP-content folder, and now open themes folder, and here you will get all of your active or installed theme. And for example, I want to delete this stunning blog theme. So let's find out the theme. So this is the theme I'm going to delete from my cPanel. So I'm selecting the theme folder and clicking on delete. To delete the theme permanently, check this box, click on confirm. Once the theme deleted, I'm going to my appearance page and reloading this page. And here we can see the theme has been successfully uninstalled or deleted. And now let's see how to delete or uninstall a theme from WordPress dashboard. From your WordPress dashboard, come to this appearance section and click on themes. And now search for the theme that you want to delete. Then click on the theme. And here you will get delete. Just click on delete. Okay. And the theme will be deleted. That's how we can uninstall a theme on WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.